I hope we do see these changes, is one where our country goes and we have this belief that we have this responsibility to be the policeman of the world. And we go to the various dictators and we say, if you'll be our pet dictator, we're going to give you billions of dollars. But if you don't, we're going to give you a lot of bombs on your country and we're going to kill your people. What a choice. What about a choice? What about a choice of talking to people, being friends with people, and trade with people? Forget about these things.
Hey, what's up everyone out there? This is Tyler Limpert. I'm here standing beneath the Clintonville, Wisconsin water tower. We made it. It was a long drive. We're here for Infowars.com. We're doing some field reporting right now, and we are going to answer your questions. What is booming in Clintonville? Ron Paul for president, baby. Yeah! This is Tyler Limpert reporting for Infowars.com. I'm here standing in front of the Masonic Lodge number 197 in Clintonville, Wisconsin. So, you know, it's a pretty small town, about 4,600 people live here, but we do have some Freemasons here. You know, maybe the New World Order could be walking these streets as well. I don't know. I wouldn't doubt it one bit. You know, I'd certainly love to interview somebody that attends this Masonic Lodge and see if they know the answer to my question, what exactly is booming up here in Clintonville? Hey guys, making another stop here up in Clintonville. This is Tyler reporting for Infowars.com. Just another reason that we should be suspicious of what's going on up here in Clintonville. We got, it looks like what could be an abandoned chemical company. It's Carlisle Chemical Corporation, the Midwest plant. Just across the street here is Badgerland Trucking Corporation. They got all kinds of tools you could use for big rig transport right there. So, you know, we need to start investigating this a little deeper. What is in Clintonville? Hey everyone out there, Tyler Limpert here again in Clintonville, Wisconsin, reporting live for Infowars.com. This is our second day here in Clintonville. We talked to a lot of locals and some residents last night outside the local tavern right down near the center of town. We have pinpointed that all of these booms and sounds, shaking, is coming from the northeastern quadrant of the town. We can rule out the western half as well as the southern portion. So this is where we are, standing somewhere near that vicinity of town. You can see there is a lot of industrial, old style buildings. A lot of speculation that the Walker Forging could have some involvement. They were known to shake this town for years in the past, you know, with large steel hammers. There's also speculation behind the Rama cult, which is located a nearby town, Shawano. They do own a newly designed and building oil facility right near the center of town. These Rama cult are somebody we should look into. They do have speculation that they've put together entire underground facilities, you know, tunnels in Shawano. Could they be doing the same thing right here on the edge of Clintonville? That's one distinct possibility. A lot of residents are still concerned. The mystery is not solved. There is no earthquake. Something is causing the earthquake, and we are asking these questions. No thanks to Lisa Cuss. Thank you. Hi everyone out there, Tyler Limpert here reporting for Infowars.com. This time we're standing in Montello, Wisconsin, at the Daggett Memorial Park. It's a 10-acre facility here with 5 rock spaces of, you know, the lovely waterfall. You can see the water tower above me. I'm holding a copy of the Marquette County Tribune from March 29th. Right here, county residents report unexplained explosion-like sound last week. We talked to one of the locals here, said she was just arriving. At her work at the time of the explosion, 5:30 p.m. Everyone who is reporting in here says it did come from underground. Of course, all the likely culprits, drillers, trackers, all those people did not report any activity at the time, but, you know, that's a very likely story, and of course it finishes with they're still awaiting an explanation for their event. Hey everyone out there, Tyler Limpert here in Montello, Wisconsin, reporting for Infowars.com. Just doing a little investigative report here. We're standing out here on Mill Street, actually one of the industrial facilities. A lot of big equipment here. Looks pretty abandoned at the moment, but I just talked to some locals here. They did, experience the boom as well, and they're actually very used to it. They said that there's a military base just north of here, and they actually did hear the jets fly over right around the same time as the ground shook. So coincidence? Possibly, but they're actually dispelling it as a sonic boom from a number of jets, and this type of activity has occurred several times in the years past downtown. They explained to me that one of the buildings had to replace windows because the glass would shake during the sonic booms and break. So, it's happened before, and this is just a major news story, and, my question is still what happened to the sludge that supposedly contaminated the waterway. Hi everyone out there, this is Tyler Limpert reporting for Infowars.com. We're here in the state capitol, Madison, Wisconsin. I'm here to do my man on the street interviews. So let's go find some people to interview. Hey everyone out there, this is Tyler Limpert reporting for Infowars.com. Here to do a man on the street report. I'm here in Madison at the beautiful La Quinta Hotel. I just wanted to ask my friend here, actually my sister Jamie, a couple questions about the upcoming presidential election. Jamie, who do you support this year in the Republican side?
I'm going to have to go with Ron Paul. He's an excellent speaker. I love what he stands for.
Excellent. I have to agree. So you just told me that you support Ron Paul for president in 2012. I think we can all, kind of agree with that perspective. He's the man with the plan. He's got some great ideas to restore America and return back to the republic that we once were. With that in mind, he plans to cut $1 trillion from the budget deficit in his first year in office, as well as to eliminate 5 federal agencies. I think we all need to get behind Ron Paul this year and really support him for president. But my question to you is, what do you think about this movement to impeach President Obama?
I think right now what we really need to do is focus on just putting our support behind Ron Paul and just getting him in as president. Try not to focus on the past with Barack Obama. Just look forward to the future and getting Ron Paul in as president.
Oh, excellent. I absolutely agree there. Impeaching the president is one thing, but Ron Paul for president is definitely something we all need to support. So I just have one quick question here to finish up this man on the street report, and I think everybody still might be asking themselves this question today. Just what exactly is booming out there in Clintonville, Wisconsin?
I don't know, gremlins maybe? I don't know.
Well, you heard it here. Your guess is as good as mine.
Too many laws is what I think the problem is. But, the tests were there, and we saw the results, and then our country has given up on it, but right now, I think we're on the verge of making a better decision. And this is the reason we should be optimistic, and we should be very positive, and take upon yourself to do something about it. But a lot of people, after I speak, they'll come and say, what should I do, what should I do? Do whatever you want to do. People do different things. Some people run for office. Some people even get elected to office. Some people help other people run for office. Some people are pretty good at earning money and they donate to other causes. Some people become teachers. Some people actually go into journalism. I'd like to see a lot more freedom lovers go into journalism.